Traditionally, when you needed a vacuum pump, you were offered a constant speed vacuum pump. You turn it on, it keeps running at full speed, and then at end of the shift you turn it off. And this works out well unless the vacuum demand varies over time. Then an all-or-nothing type vacuum pump will deliver constant pumping speed even when it is actually not needed. That equates to wasted energy and unnecessarily high energy costs. Thankfully, at Busch, innovation has built on tradition. Busch offers intelligent vacuum pumps with ECOTORQUE, an integrated variable speed drive, VSD. In combination with a pressure sensor, ECOTORQUE regulates the rotational speed of the pump's motor. It enables the pumping speed to be adapted precisely to the actual requirements of your process. Reacting to fluctuations in demand makes considerable energy savings possible. For a vacuum pump like the R5 from Busch, the integration of ECOTORQUE makes energy savings of up to 50% possible. In a typical production process, this means CO2 savings of more than 10,000 kg per year, the amount over 1,000 trees would absorb. It also cuts maintenance costs compared to fixed speed pumps due to lower average usage that limits wear on bearings and seals. Plus, ECOTORQUE allows the motor to operate at higher speed regardless of the power supply. This translates into a pumping speed that is approximately 20% to 40% higher than if the pump runs at 50 Hz. We offer a wide range of vacuum pumps with ECOTORQUE. Good news, with our Busch genuine ECOTORQUE retrofit kits, you can easily upgrade your existing vacuum pumps. Find out more in the description below. Contact us to optimize your production with ECOTORQUE.